meaning it's a fair dice. Fair die. Yeah, unbiased. It's a fair die, standard die. If two unbiased dice are rolled once, the sum obtained is denoted by X. What is the probability that the sum is X? Okay. X is an element of a set consisting of even sums. Yeah. Like we know that when two dice are rolled, the sums that we can get is 2, 4, 6, right? 8, 10, 12, and that's it. 6 and 6 is the highest. 1 and 1 is the lowest sum, right? On a dice. Right. So statement A, B, C, D, E. All right. What is the probability that the sum is? Ah, so X is an element of set consisting of all evens. So the probability keeps changing. Suppose if it was 2, then we know that out of 36, only once we get the sum of 2, right? But if it is 4, right? If it is 4, if it is 4, then we have 1, 3, 3, 1. So 2 out of 36 possibilities. So the probability keeps changing. So A is not answering. So A and D is out. Correct? Yeah. Are you getting the picture? X is the element of a set consisting of even sums when two unbiased dice are rolled once. So we know that the sum is denoted by X, but X could be any of these 2, 4, 6, 8, or 10 or 12. Understood? So therefore, we know that we are getting different probabilities depending on what the sum is. So A is not answering. B. X is the element of set consisting of all prime sums when two unbiased dice are rolled once. So prime sums, so between see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and back your I'm sorry, one cannot show up because one is not possible. So these are the sums here we can get. And out of these sums, the prime sums are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, the same situation. X is an element of set consisting of all prime sums. So the sum is denoted by X. So if X is 2, then it's 1 out of 36. If X is 3, then it's 1, 2, 2, 1. So 2 out of 36. X is 5, it's 1, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. So 4 out of 36. You know what I mean? So 1 out of 36, 2 out of 36, for the probability keeps changing. Correct? However, now that we know that B is also not answering and we consider both together, and that together gives us the answer because the common sum between the even and the primes is 2.